What's up, everybody? It's John the Pilot checking in with you for June. I'm just doing an update on my SF3 just in case if you guys had any questions or comments. It's been sitting in my garage in the high humid heat in Florida for well over a year now, so it's also gone through a winter cycle. I've had zero issues with this thing. No rust, nothing. So here, I'll go ahead and make sure I start showing you, and we'll pan and show everything. But the quality of this machine has been phenomenal. I've been keeping up with the maintenance. No rust anywhere on the chrome. No problem with the weight pins or pulleys. One heck of a deal. I do know this, that if you look on the website, which I'm going to show right here, on the website it shows the FTX, not the SF3. It shows the FTX for $11.99. It's $300 off right now, and I believe that includes shipping. And I think both the FTX and SF3 are on a deal right now where if you buy them with other qualifying purchases, they knock the price down somehow via percentages. I'm not sure. I'll put a link in the description. Once again, I am not sponsored by Costco. I'm not inspired. I am inspired by Inspire, but I'm not sponsored by Inspire. I just love this piece of machinery because I love working out in my garage. It's a nice escape for me to be able to check out and just get a pump going. But that's it for the update. This is June 2023. The SF3 still standing strong. John the Pilot. See ya.